What's going on, gentlemen? My name is Jax Grimshire, founder of JC Grooming, and today we're going to talk about a really exciting product called beard butter. A lot of bearded guys out there have heard of beard butter, but they've never delved into the world of beard butters, for the simple reason that it can be kind of confusing as to what they're for. Your standard product line of beard products is an oil and a balm, for the reason being that the oil conditions and the balm styles. Then you can add in the washes and the conditioners and stuff like that, which you use in the shower typically, and that kind of circles out your entire beard routine. But beard butters are a game changer for a lot of people. The reason that beard butters are so fantastic is they're a utility product. You can use them on your beard, your hair, your skin, anywhere on your body, and they're going to give you deep conditioning, moisturizing, and of course, that nice natural glow. A butter can be easily confused for a balm, and we're going to do a video in the future about the exact differences between a butter and a balm just to help clear the air. But the simple gist of it is a butter is a conditioning product, whereas a balm is a styling product. And some butters, to make it a little bit more confusing, also have some of that styling agent in there as well, which means that it's kind of a marriage of the two. Beard butters come typically in a 2-ounce metal tin. Ours come in glass jars just like our balms do because I like the way that it matches the oils and I think they feel nice, they're heavy in the hand, and they just feel great. A butter's standard ingredients include a blend of butters like shea, mango, cocoa, or some other butters like that, as well as deep conditioning oils such as grapeseed, almond, jojoba, argan, amla, or some other oils like that. Typically the ones that you'll find in the beard oil from the same company. Our butter also contains a little bit of beeswax for a few reasons. Number one, it adds just a touch of hold, and the reason this is beneficial is because, I'll talk about this in a little bit, but a beard butter is typically part of your night routine. So why would you want hold then? Well, if you're using a beard butter outside of your night routine, that's where the hold is awesome, because on a weekend or a lazy Sunday, something like that, or just a day where you want that deep conditioning, but you also don't want the natural look that an oil will give you, this butter is going to solve that problem. It's going to give you that deep conditioning, and it'll give you just enough hold that it doesn't look like you did nothing with your beard that day. Another reason we like the beeswax is the beeswax actually has antimicrobial properties, which extends the shelf life of the butter, which means you can use this for even longer. So as for the actual application of a beard butter, it's really simple. It's a lot like a balm, a lot like an oil, kind of, again, a blend of the two, in that you scoop it out of the container, and you'll see this one I use a lot. I don't know if you can see that. But this is the kohlrabi scent. The reason I like it so much right now is the wintertime. The scent is nice and crisp and refreshing and invigorating, and I love that in the wintertime. So anyway, to apply your butter, the first thing you want to do is get it out of the container. This is a lot easier than doing with the balm because our balm is stronger hold, as we mentioned in the last video. But again, you can get it out by just taking your finger and scooping like this. You'll see that I get a nice healthy amount there. But again, I find it's much easier to use the back of your thumbnail, for the simple reason that I don't really like getting stuff under my fingernails. It just kind of creeps me out. So if you scoop it out like you do with the balm, again, probably not necessary with the thickness or the hardness of the butter, but it does prevent that stuff from getting under your fingernails. So you'll notice that came out very easily. Just like the balm, I'll take about a thumbnail sized amount, and sometimes I'll get a little bit more generous with the butter, especially because I just use it at night. But again, off the thumb into the palm, and you'll see it's already starting to emulsify and completely emulsified in seconds. So this stuff is awesome. It breaks down immediately. You can just feel that it's going to condition your beard like crazy. So then from here, I like to start from the top and then go to the bottom, and then I just focus on the skin for a little bit until I get about 80% of the butter off my hands, and then come back down over the top and get a little bit of that styling in there as well. So there you'll see it's got a nice amount of hold where it still styles the beard, keeps it in shape, but it's not a strong hold where it feels like I have something styling my beard, frankly. The funny thing about this butter is, like I said earlier, I'll typically use it at night as part of my night routine, and after I use it, sometimes I'm like, man, I wish my beard looked that good during the day. So it definitely does have some styling aspect to it. Some of our customers have referred to it as a light hold balm, which is fine, but it does condition, so it is still a beard butter. Now, the beautiful thing about a beard butter, as I mentioned, is you can apply it anywhere on your skin. So what I like to do after I apply it is just take it and rub it on my skin, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting this nice natural glow to it. Looks nice and healthy and shiny and all that good stuff. So how do I use this as part of my night routine? Very simple. A lot of days I'll just do what I just did. I'll throw the beard butter in and go to bed. But if I really feel like I need that extra conditioning, I'll go ahead and put an oil underneath it first. And the benefit of doing that is, number one, the oil just absorbs very quickly and fully, so I get that initial conditioning right off the bat. But the butter actually traps all those oils in because it's a solid product, so it softens and emulsifies and then applies to the beard and then sort of re-hardens, so to speak. You can't feel it in there, but it does. And it traps all those oils in overnight. So by the time you wake up in the morning, the dry heat in the wintertime coming out of the vents is not going to be damaging your skin. And your beard's nice and soft. It's so refreshed and just healthy feeling. No flakes, no itching, no dryness, and none of that nasty stuff that happens when you forget to apply products. So that's the reason why I always recommend a butter as a game changer for your routine, because a lot of people apply the oil in the morning and then maybe again at night and assume that their beard is as healthy as it's ever going to get. And then they try adding a butter at night and they're like, wow, this is like a world of difference. So if you haven't tried a beard butter before, you need to. So guys, that's all there is on how to use a beard butter. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video and you found value in it, give us a huge thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It helps us a lot, and it helps us know that our information and videos and support is actually helping you. So those thumbs up mean a lot to us. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., go ahead and drop a comment down below. I always read and respond to every single one of them, and I love when you guys open that conversation. And finally, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you're the first person to see all the giveaways, promos, and fun videos that we have, and of course all the wonderful information that we're sharing on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I love you guys. Until next time, I'm Jax Grimshire with JC Grooming. Let's keep it classy.